Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get CARES Act Small Business Grant of $75,000. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $90,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of its application, as well as all the eligibility criteria and the documents you need, as well as I will tell you each and everything that you need to do in order to do this grant. And you already know that the other word of grant is free money, means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of requests, messages and emails, here's an opportunity for the state of Massachusetts. Yes, the city of Medford, right here in front of you. Here's a huge opportunity where you can get a grant for up to $75,000. Yes, but remember, the application is closing soon, so act as soon as possible because you don't want this opportunity to slip out of your hand. So do it as soon as possible. So I'm going to tell you each and everything with the specific guidelines as well as the steps you need to take in order to get this grant. As you can see that this grant starts from $25,000 to $75,000. But right here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you an overview of its application as well as what are the things that you need to do. So first, let's see what it is all about. This is a pandemic business resources website. I am going to put the link below in the video description. This is for Medford County, and of course what do you need to do and what they're doing right here exactly, because they are giving the pandemic relief for the businesses who were impacted by this worst pandemic ever. So right here, what you need to do, so you need to actually click right here on the small businesses 50 or fewer employees including owner. But remember that they also have micro enterprises, and if you have 5 or lower employees, you can easily get $25,000. These both applications are same, but right here, as we are talking about $75,000 grant, so I'm going to click right here and show you the eligibility criteria. So let's click 3, 2, 1. So as soon as you click on it, this page will open, right? And in this page they will give you an overview of the program. So they say that this grant program offers grant to support small businesses negatively impacted by the pandemic. Yes, this is what they're doing. So the applications are closing on November 17, 2020 at almost 12 a.m. So do it as soon as possible, as soon as you watch this video. But please do watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you each and every eligibility criteria. So the first one is that the business must have a physical establishment in Massachusetts. Yes, so if your business is established or under the state limits of Massachusetts, then you are good to go. The business has 50 or fewer full-time equivalent, like FTEs or full-time employees, or one or more who owns the business. So of course, if you have one or more employees but they should remain under 50, then you're good to go. You can get this grant. The third one is the business must be a for-profit entity. Yes, it's not for non-profit, so your business has to be for profit. The fourth one is actually business must be able to document the loss of income equal to or greater to requested assistance due to the pandemic. So yes, you can actually provide them your profit and loss statement, or you can provide them your bank statement, and then when you do that, of course they will see the decrease in your revenue or profit, and then they'll be able to grant you the grant. So now let's talk about the fifth one. The business must be currently in operational, and not, if not in operational, then must have the intent to reopen. So your business has to be operational, right? And if it's not operational right now, then you should actually show them that, hey, this is my plan and this is my projection, that this month I'm going to start, for example, like in December, in November, in January in 2021. So you have to show them that, hey, I do have a business plan, but the problem is that I was really impacted by this pandemic. That's why I couldn't open it and I had no money in my pocket. So that's why I'm applying for this grant, and they will give it to you. So the other one is that business must be established per to June 30th, 2019. So yes, if your business was established before June 30th, 2019, then you are good to go. You can apply for this grant, right? So I believe it's similar to like a year-old business, so just keep that in mind. The business must be in good standing. Of course, you never filed any bankruptcy or you don't have any debt on your business. Like what I mean by debt's like a lot of debt that you defaulted. So if you have anything like that, don't apply for this grant. If you don't, then you are good to go. Now, the business taxes are all should be paid off till March 1st, 2020, and they should have an active valid state license and registration. So yes, there are some ineligible businesses as well, so I want to talk about them as well. The first one is of course real estate, the rentals or sales business. The second one is business owned by person under age 18. So sorry folks, you cannot do that. The businesses that are chains, of course, liquor store, weapon and firearm dealer, lobbyists, or you can say the other one is cannabis business. So if you have any business that is under any of these categories, then I'm sorry, you cannot do that. And one more thing, that if your business is an adult entertainment business, you cannot apply for this grant either. So keep that in mind, that this is what they are doing. So they do require some documents: a copy of your completed 2019 federal business tax return, a copy of completed 2019 federal personal tax return, as well as a copy of your license, like your business license, as well as your private license as well. What you mean by private license is your driving license, the owner's driving license, and your W-9 form. It should be completed and signed. If you have an LLC, partnership, or corporation, of course they'll be asking for a certification of good standing. So if you do have it, you can provide them, but this is not a mandatory requirement. But if you are falling in the category of sole proprietor or LLC, then you can do that, right? So now let's go and see about the application, that how it looks like. Remember that in order to get this form, all you need to do, you need to just scroll down right here, and then you need to create an account. So when you go there, they will be asking for your email address, your password, and your first and last name. As soon as you do that, you sign up for it. They will send you a link on your email, whatever you provide right here, and then they will send you a link, and by clicking on that link, you will be able to access the form. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $90,000 business loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So please, if you like our content, like this video and do apply as soon as possible. The link is in video's description. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.